It's yet another decision that has been disowned by a section of government even before the public hears of it. With a sense of urgency, some members of the Cabinet Subcommittee on ICC assembled at the office of the President to discuss ICC's decision to issue summonses for the Ocampo 6 to appear before it next month. Later in the afternoon, the committee sent a statement to newsrooms indicating that the government would challenge the admissibility of the cases and the jurisdiction of the court. The decision is apparently based on the Rome Statute, which gives the persons for whom the summonses have been issued and the state which has jurisdiction over such persons to challenge admissibility of the case or the jurisdiction of the court. On the jurisdiction account, the government intends to argue that some of the crimes that occurred in 2007 to 2008 did not meet the required threshold of crimes against humanity, while on the admissibility front, the government is likely to argue preference should be given to a local judicial mechanism to handle the cases. However, out of the 6 members of the subcommittee, only 3, Attorney General Amos Wako, Internal Security Minister Professor Saitoti, and Justice and Constitutional Affairs Minister Mutula Kilonzo signed the statement. Lands Minister James Orengo told Citizen TV that he, Fisheries Minister Amos Kingi, and Immigration Minister Otieno Kajwang, all from ODM, were not invited and were not even aware of the meeting. According to Orengo, this latest move is an exercise in futility because, according to him, the issue of the admissibility of the cases and jurisdiction of the court have been previously dealt with. To begin with, Orengo argued the ICC took up the Kenyan case after Parliament rejected moves to set up a legal tribunal and asked that the cases be referred to The Hague. He further argues that the judges, while issuing the summons, had addressed the issue of admissibility as Kenya had not established a local mechanism to try the suspects. The government reiterates that according to the Rome Statute, indictment will only be issued after the charges have been confirmed by the pre-trial chamber after the said hearing. Sylvia Chebet, Citizen Live at 9.